Hi children, hope you are doing well. So last time we learnt about the comparisons, smaller and bigger. What is smaller than us, what is bigger than us. And I hope you got a clear idea about smaller and bigger. And in our poem, we already seen what is bigger and what is smaller. A snail is smaller than us, an elephant is bigger than us. So we compared and even we did a home task also. Now you got a clear-cut idea about what is smaller than you and what is bigger than you. So I read only 2 stanzas and I explained only 2 stanzas to you, right? So now I am going to read remaining 2 stanzas. Let us see. And stars that look so wee are big, some bigger than the sun, and yet they sprinkle all the sky like currents in a bun. And though I'm really 7 years old, so large compared with me is daddy's car. When I get down, I feel I'm scarcely 3. Once more. And stars that look so wee are big, some bigger than the sun, and yet they sprinkle all the sky like currents in a bun. And though I'm really 7 years old, so large compared with me is daddy's car. When I get down, I feel I'm scarcely 3. Now I'm going to explain these 2 stanzas. Okay, I told you if this is a story or passage, we will call this part as paragraph. Okay, you have to know that paragraph. Now this is a poem. So we can say this part as stanzas. So these 2 stanzas last time we learned, and now we are going to learn these last 2 stanzas. And stars that look so wee. And stars, yes, you all know. Where are the stars? Stars are in the sky, right? Up in the sky. When we look at the stars, it's really small, right? Okay, but actually B means very small, okay? Actually, are they small? No, they are not. Some even bigger than the sun. And that secret and all the things your science teacher will tell you. I don't want to break the surprise, okay? And yet they sprinkle all the sky. Then so this when we see the stars are small and sprinkle. Sprinkle means, what is the meaning of sprinkle? You can see here, to throw things here and there. It is not in an order, row, column, and not like that. Here and just spreading here and there, like currents in a bun. You all might eat bun, right? Bun. That's we are eating with the tea, sandwich bun or whatever the bun. In the bun you can see some currants. Currants means actually dried grapes, raisins, dried grapes. So how the currants in a bun, like that, it's in a row and column or in a line? No, it's just a sprinkle here and there. In the same way, the stars are in the sky. And though I'm really 7 years old, so when you are in class 2, you feel you are a little bit big, right? That means compared to your nursery stage, now you are a little bit big. And the child is saying, now I'm 7 years old, so large compared with me daddy's car. But when I'm inside my daddy's car, the car is very big and I feel I'm only 3, means your nursery age. So this is the poem. So here you can see that actually the stars are not small, but when we see them we feel it's small. Actually some of the stars are bigger than sun and they just sprinkle all the sky just like a currents. Currents means, what is the meaning of currents? It's a dried grapes, raisins inside. Then here I'm 7 years old, but when compared to daddy's car, then I'm small. I feel, though I'm 7 years old, I feel I'm scarcely means little, very, you see here, very little, hardly I feel I'm 3 years old. This is the poem. Okay, a child is comparing the things with him. What is smaller and what is bigger. So did you like the poem? So some home tasks are awaiting for you. You can see that in the Google Classroom. So don't forget to do. It's mandatory to do. I told you. Then whatever your doubts you can ask me, and I will be publishing your marks and comments. So just wait for that. Bye children. Have a nice day.